Hi Starlights, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw anime hair in pencil, step by step, focusing on soft flow, volume and movements. I know a lot of people find hair tricky, especially when it comes to getting that shiny, airy anime look. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how I build it, from the first lines to the final shading. Make sure you grab your pencils and let's get started. First, we need a simple base for the head. Don't try to make it perfect, this is just a guide. I lightly sketch a circle for the base head and add a small line for the neck and shoulders, just enough to understand the angle. Now I imagine where the hair will grow from, the hairline. Anime hair doesn't follow realistic anatomy too strictly, so don't worry too much. Just think about where the roots would start and the general flow you want. Next, I draw some long, light line to show how the hair moves. In this drawing, I want the wind be blowing from left to right, so I let my lines curve gently in that direction. Think of the hair as ribbons or waves. It's soft, it bends, it overlaps. Try to feel the motion while you draw. The key to good anime hair is flow, not perfection. I separate the hair into big chunks or sections. Each section has its own direction and shape. And where they overlap, you'll get natural shadows later on. Notice how I group strands together instead of drawing single lines. This gives the drawing a more anime-like, stylized feeling. If your lines look messy, don't stress. At this stage, everything should be loose and flexible. Now the fun part, shading. I start with the darkest area, usually under the top layers or behind the neck. Try to keep your strokes following the direction of the hair. That way, the texture feels natural. To make the hair look shiny, leave a clean highlight area in the middle of each section. That contrast between dark shadows and light bands is what gives anime hair that glossy effect. You can blend gently with a tissue or blending stump, but avoid overdoing it. Too much blending can make the hair look flat or plastic. Once the main shading is done, I use an eraser to lift off some graphite and bring back the highlights. You can also use a white pencil or gel pen for really bright spots. I go over the outline lightly to clean any smudges and add a few fine strands near the edges to make it feel more natural. Remember, less is more. Don't try to add every single hair, suggest the texture instead. And that's it. You've just drawn soft, flowing anime hair with pencil. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more anime style drawing tutorials. You can also leave a comment if there's a specific hairstyle or topic you want me to cover next. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep practicing and have fun drawing. Bye bye!